Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Pocket, Mirror, Extrude and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. These are the steps and the dimensions for this drawing. In step 1, we sketch half of the front profile on XZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. The radius of the circle is 19 millimeters. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 18 millimeters. In step 2, we sketch position 2 on XY plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Sketch again roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Now, sketch a circle with a radius of 13 millimeters at the middle of this line. Trim unnecessary edges and curves. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 10 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we remove material from the created part with the help of the Pocket tool. Select the front surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference curve. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 25 millimeters. As you can see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 13 millimeters. In step 4, we add fillets to the created part according to the drawing. Select the edge and activate the Fillet tool. Set the fillet radius to 13 millimeters. Apply the same procedure here. As you see, it is not possible to create a fillet with a radius of 13 millimeters. The straight line length is 12 millimeters. The maximum possible fillet radius is 12 or 11.99 millimeters. The last step is to mirror the created body about the YZ plane. Now select the body and activate the Mirror tool and then select the mirror plane. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the 3D solid part. Download these textures from internet and save them in your folder. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.